Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover the customization tool for Steelware. Steelware is essentially the online merch shop for Steel Cyclone Studios. Steelware brings together gamers and the endless passionate energy of the motivated entrepreneur through fashion. On Steelware, you will find captivating 3D art and designs to inspire, empower, and motivate you to go after your goals and dreams. To access the customization tool, you can simply click on this menu icon located at the top left. If you scroll to the bottom, you can select Customize. Alright, this looks a bit small, so we're going to open Steelware in a new window. So I'm going to right click, open link in new tab. Alright, that's better. Customize. Much better. So as you can see, you can select from various products. You can select from my designs and upload your own, and you can also place your own text on the t-shirt. So let's go ahead. Let's select from one of the various products. We'll go with a t-shirt. And we'll select black, large. All right. And I'm going to place a design on the back of this. Again, you could choose from one of my designs, or you can also choose designs from the community, courtesy of Spreadshirt. We'll go with sport. Ooh, this one looks kind of neat. And we'll let that load. Awesome. Once you place a design on the shirt, you can move it around, rotate it, and scale it. Depending on the product, you can also place designs on the sleeves of the shirts. You can also delete designs and place your own. If you decide to upload your own image, I highly recommend the PNG format. Make sure that the images you upload do not violate any copyright, trademark, or personality rights. All right, let's go ahead, place another design on here, like this. Hustle beats talent when talent doesn't hustle. All right. So that's the general gist of the customization tool. But be sure to check back for our video game selection from games created by Steel Cyclone Studios. Thanks for watching, guys, and I look forward to showcasing more updates utilizing the customization tool.